Oh my god. Seriously, it's December. Everybody's got all their lights up. And it's like December 14th. And we got this amazing storm that's blowing the camera. And lightning, but not a lot for some reason. Like, I can't believe this is actually happening. Never seen this before.
Me neither.
Never seen this before.
Alright, enjoy.
Alright. Seriously. Wonder when another lightning strike. There's another one coming. I know there's another one coming. Woohoo! 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 It's a car. That's weird, no lightning strike. That tree's blowing. Ooh, that wind is as crazy as crazy. Look at the tree if you could see it. I don't think so. Wow, that tree over there is blowing. The tree's been decorated. Seriously, this is unbelievable. This is ridiculous. This is bad. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Seriously. Can't really see much because it's night time. I can tell it's starting to intensify the wind. Whoa! The rain is getting in the camera and that's what I not need. Had enough rain for now. And this looks like it's gonna end very soon. Wonder if another lightning strike will hit. Holy crap! Man, the wind is blowing. It is blowing the heck out. It's blowing the heck out of the rain. Oh my god. I had no idea this was happening. This is unbelievable! Seriously. Oh! Holy dang! This is ridiculous. Alright. Water. Out the thing down there. Barely see anything. Can you see my hand? No. Alright, my camera's about to. Alright, might as well end this film right here.